See, we're doing these Indian heads, zeroing these out. And actually both guides are the same, that's good. Not bad for a valve guide replacement. Alright. The cutter's already preset. I think. Find out. Quite that close. Feel that cut, we're just cutting the inside of the port out right here. See, this cutter has a lot of angles on it. I finally cut the whole thing all the way around. Top angle looks like it'll be about right in there. She was going to cut out all the shrouding that they put in here. Cut all that out. Somebody didn't want the bike to run very good. Cutting all that out of there, see. That's the point we're going to hit. So now, when that valve opens, it flows air. Unlike this side, it doesn't flow any air. You can kill this big lip out, you can see how much we cut out. So now it's just a nice smooth radius coming out of there. So that's a difference between a performance job and a S&S job. One of them might be better than the other. Alright, let's go cut the seal, see where the valve comes in. See if I'm going to cut in the right spot. Just got done doing a 124, so should be close, same as this 88-inch engine, same ports. Same valves anyway. Not a good sign. Same problem as that 124. The valve guide actually bottoms out in here, right there. So I gotta cut them down a little bit. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that, but I will. I might as well cut that off. I gotta make a change here. Okay, so I'm going to cut this down a little bit because the guide's in the way of the valve. Where's the valve in the way of the guide? Only two. Okay, I need to get my setting fixed. That'd be a valve show. That'll be enough. Official setting device. Valve shim. Now we just cut that away, it'll be gone. And the problem. This is only a problem on the intake guides. Reset this. Done deal. Swap the cutter back in. Back to the valve job. Okay, our photographer got a little behind the time. He's playing with his phone, I think. Something over there in the corner. It might have been something else. Okay, I lopped it out. Got a ring going around there. Got a ring going around here. The valve knob goes up and down instead of locking up like it did before. And that one's done. And you can see how much metal we cut out of there. Really lowers the compression down nice good. So it makes it run better. But you can see how much better the flow is going to be because as soon as that valve opens, you can see the air can come right around that valve. The more you open it, the better it flows. Even up to 700 lift like this. And 7 is about right there. It'll keep flowing. If you want to really make it flow better, you cut even more out of here on the top. These real high lifts will flow even better. This should get up to about 500-600 lift, and then you start playing with that. So a lot of times I go back and I'll blend this over a little bit. Cut even more compression out of the bike. You don't need all that extra compression anyway. So that really makes them flow nice. So this thing here is a pile of crap. So we'll do another one. Recenter it there. Okay. My mark back in there again. Do it on both sides so I can see it better. Okay, the valve job is basically done at this point. I'm actually cutting the seat. Now, like I said, now we're going to unshroud it so it'll breathe. This is called an extra step. It's a very important extra step. Shatter there in that big one. But anyway, you can see the cut now. So it's all unshrouded just like the other one. So there you go. That's how it looks. Quick lap on this one and make sure everything's good and it should be good. Okay, I just put lapping compound on this. The valve didn't stick in the hole because we cut the guide down. And there's your mark. And there's our seat on here again. A bit of grit still on there, but you can see the seat. Write this one down. You can see the mark going around there, a little thin line there, 40 thou wide seat. So that side's done. So now I get the exhaust. Just around, do the other side. Same pilot size, makes it nice. These have a taper in. Something fell down. Well, there's a head bolt spacer in there. It's been in there for a while. Excuse me. Change out our cutters here. Sat in the head for a month without falling out till now. Alright. Level this thing out. Okay, turn it this way. So that's the difference between the two sides of the head. Ideally they'd be identical, but in the real world, they never are. Every now and then you luck out there's one that matches. Get the head back down. Set your level this way. It's off the same amount. Both heads are equally off. And a bit difference that way though. Closer. I'll split the difference between the two. There we go. Split the air. Close enough, it doesn't matter. There's a ball joint in this thing, so it doesn't make too much difference. That's why this is on a ball that pivots, so it'll follow the air. Reset these. Alright, these two are done. Don't leave it there, huh? Move on to these two. Here. Some machine and cut. Quite a bit. Top just starting to come in. Set on the machine. Could just cut what's coming in. Yeah, a little bit lower. See the top angle is just right. That last little lip right to the top of the angle. So a little bit deeper. Set the valve another 5 or so. Okay. angle. Let's see, I think this was set last time I used it. That'll be long enough. Yeah, looks good. So you can see how much is going to go out of this one. Cut all that out of there, see? We hit the seat. You see the multiple cuts on the valve I do. Makes it flow better. Yeah, valve didn't hit the guide. You can see the seat there. So you see it going around. Right out toward the edge of the valve for full advantage of the small valve. The intake's way big, so you don't have to be that close. See how the big gap on the outside? That's big for me. See how close this one is? Big difference in the two. If there's a smaller intake valve in there, I would make it closer like this. But that valve is huge. This one's a little bit harder to see the seat because it's so much wider, but it's actually right in here to here. A little gray area, you can barely see it. It's hard to see, but it's there. Come over here on this side, you might see a little better. You can see the contrast in the dark. It's light gray to bright, shiny. That dark gray area is actually the seat. So anyway, the valve on this one. This was cut a lot deeper in this port than the intake was. This undercut that they put in there. I'd rather that not be there, but oh well. It is in there. So when the gases start going in this way, it actually doesn't hit the slips, doesn't hurt it too bad. If that was on the other side over here, you'd hit that lip, it'd really disrupt the flow a lot. But being an exhaust valve, it's going to go in anyway, so it's under pressure. So it's not such a big disadvantage having it like that. It would slowly cut away as I sunk the valve down, but I'm not going to sink the valve just to make that better. It ain't worth welding the head up to fix it. So anyway, that's what they look like. I'll do this other one and this will be done. Move on to assembly next.